right, so hey, cool thing is I want to show you. I want to share a story with you, and then I want to share a really cool philosophy that we use in our company to make our success come true. And I want to share the same thing with you guys. So stay tuned, watch this, and share it with somebody that can use this information as well. So we were sitting down at our CPA's office, and he was looking at the books, and he's like, "Hey, what do you guys do? Because you're not, he's used to doing like the Cardinals players here in St. Louis, or he does lawyers or other people or whatnot. And, we are different. We're selling products through a website, but he didn't understand how. And so what I'm going to do for you is the same thing I did for him, to explain how we go and find winning products, and then how we take those products and we move them and merge them into our own business, and then how we sell, millions of those products. So we're sitting there, we're in the office, and he's like, "So how do you sell all these products?" And I said, "Oh, we do this thing called arbitrage." And he didn't really understand what arbitrage was. I said, "It's really simple. Arbitrage is what you do is you go look at other products, such as on Amazon or AliExpress or Alibaba." He didn't know those websites. He knew of Amazon or whatnot. And I like Amazon. I prefer Amazon because of the quick shipment. Okay, 2 days, 3 days, prime shipping, things like that. And so I'll go and look at products on Amazon, and I will build a funnel or build a website around those products. And then I'll see if it sells. I'll push some traffic to it, push some Facebook traffic, push some Instagram traffic, maybe some YouTube traffic, maybe just some organic traffic to it. And then if it sells, well, it's pretty simple from there, is I will take the credit card through my merchant, okay? And then for fulfillment, I'll just go on to Amazon, type in the name, type in their, it's a little more manual, I know, but type in their name, type in their address, type in their phone number, send them that product from Amazon. So yes, it arrives in an Amazon box. You're probably thinking, well, now, why didn't they just think to buy it off of Amazon? But realistically, it doesn't matter. People just want the product. Well, aren't they weirded out when they see like the little receipt in the box? Well, no, there's a really cool thing. It's called, this is a gift on Amazon. So that makes the receipt not even appear in the box, which is a pretty cool thing too. So a couple things is we're looking at products that are already sourced and already available on Amazon. We're sending traffic to those, building a website around those. And then if it works, if it's a success, then we go and we start to build our inventory. We go out and source that product from China, and we make sure that it's available and look at the pricing that we can get it at. Of course, it's usually less than Amazon. Look at the profit margins. If you've not watched our other Marketing Mondays where I talk about the perfect product, you need to go check that out. It's absolutely amazing. It goes over all the topics and all the things that we look for in a product. If you've not subscribed to our top 50 video trainings, you need to do that. That's at talktotrey.com. The little probably button up on the screen right now. It says Talk to Trey. Just go to that domain, put in your name, your email, put your name in there, and subscribe. Okay, we got you 50 free trainings today. So go and do that. So now I'm going to walk you through. So here I am. I'm telling this guy, and he's just amazed. He's just dumbfounded by this idea, this concept. And he goes, "That's all you do?" I said, "That's all we do." And then from there, we go and source the inventory, and we supply it through a warehousing, supply it through a fulfillment center. We import that product, by the container load, and then we fulfill it. That's as simple as that. It's as easy as that. And he goes, "Man, I really need to rethink my business." I said, "Maybe so." But let me go show you guys how we do this, okay? So that makes it a little more simple for you so you can kind of see a visual. So we're going to head on over to the whiteboard. I'm making sure that I have some magic markers. Doesn't look like I do. So let me grab a few out of the bag today. Make sure you guys are well prepared. Okay, here we go. So a couple things. So here's the same thing we do, all right? So obviously, now here's the cool thing about Amazon is I love these guys because you have sellers that have gone over and placed their product on there. They've gone and sourced the inventory. They've put pallets of this inventory inside of the fulfillment, the FBA fulfillment warehouse for Amazon. And here we are. We just go and test the product. So we get to take pictures of that product, go build a little sales funnel or a cart around it, and then push traffic to it. And if it sells, well, we go grab some of that inventory and we can ship that out. But then realistically, we find that that's a winner to our audience, to our specific niche, and then we go and source it. So you can use Amazon as a petri dish. You can use Amazon as a test case study, right? To see if these products actually will sell. And if they don't, well, you're not out anything. You're only out maybe some Facebook ad spend, but that's it. And some time for building the funnel. But you don't have inventory. Sitting inventory is bad inventory. You don't have to worry about warehousing it or how it sits there or how to get rid of it. You have to liquidate it. There's none of that. It's the perfect idea. It's the perfect plan. So we'll take Amazon, we'll go buy these products or find the products and then put them on a funnel and then push traffic to it. And if it works, well then we stop arbitraging at that point and we go and source it ourselves. So how that works is we get, let's just say social. So people, right? We got all our people over here. We'll send this traffic. So we have traffic. We will send this traffic to our website, which displays, right? It's displaying this product. So this product is on our website. Now, interesting enough is people are purchasing through our merchant. This is where some people, I think, get confused. So yeah, they're processing the payment through our merchant. We're not sending it to Amazon. We're showcasing this product on our website as if we already fulfilled it, as if we already own it, as if it's already in our warehouse. So it's like, hey, these people own this product. So we have this product. We take their money, okay? So let's say we charge $25 for it. And maybe it's $25 on here. I really don't really care at this point of the price. I'm just looking to see if it has life, if it's going to move to the specific niche that I'm targeting. And if so, then what I do is I go over to, so now we have a success. I go to Amazon. Okay, this is a manual process. I go to Amazon, I type in the person's name, their address, their phone number, just as if I was ordering it as a friend, right, for them, to send them a gift package. Then from there, we ship it to them. So we ship it to their house, okay? So all this is working. This is all the arbitrage that's happening. So they are getting these products. So then, once I find that this is a green light go, right, this has got the good checkbox that, hey, people are buying it, people are selling it, then what we do is we remove the Amazon piece. So now that Amazon's still there. And I will go and source. So I go source. And I'm not saying I drop ship. We don't do that. We don't drop ship from AliExpress. We will actually import from China. Okay? So I'll import usually 100 to start. I'll do a little 100 case. So we're not out tons of inventory, not out tons of cash. I'll start with 100. Little number, I know it, but it's pretty simple because we have little bits of traffic. We're kind of trickling it all in, still optimizing the website. Then once I figure out that that works, okay, then I order enough 500. And then I'll order usually about 1,000, and then we go from 1,000 to usually 10,000 units, and then that can usually rotate us through on the fulfillment. The manufacturer usually can build 10,000 as we're depleting our stock. Okay, and so it's pretty much just being shipped over at that point in time. All these are aired. So then as you can see, this is arbitrage. So we're testing out products, putting a website on it. If it sells, we're buying it from Amazon, sending it to the customer. Now, of course, this was $25. The customer paid me $25, so I'm out that Facebook ad spend, that social media ad spend, but I don't care at that point because that's the only cost I have to myself and my company. Once I see that it does work, then I can take out Amazon, I can source my product from China, and then I can sell that product on my website for the same price, a higher price, a lower price, depending on what I can buy it for. And then my profit margin is there, just getting my social media down and my web traffic to convert higher, and then I'm in profitability mode, okay? So that's arbitrage. That's how we take a product, we test it out to see if it'll ever work without having to invest in inventory, have to test out the product, have to wait for it to get here. That takes a long time. Looking for the cost of the product, the fulfillment, the warehousing, all that stuff builds up. It's a lot of cost. Training your staff, training the call centers and things like that, putting all the emails together. Like there's a lot of stuff that has to go down when you just launch a first product. But if it's arbitraged, you can negate a lot of that stuff, which is a great thing. That's why I like to do it. I'd like to make it clean and easy. Again, once we find a winning product, we take out Amazon, we fulfill it ourselves through local facilities here in the United States. So that's how it works, my friends. That is arbitrage, and that's how you become a success, or how you find successful products very quick and very easy and efficiently, because I can ship it through Amazon. Amazon is great because it keeps all your customer service very, very happy. Okay, they're excited to be there. People are getting their products in a good amount of time. This is why I don't really fulfill from AliExpress, because it takes 30 to 45 days. I'd rather just make sure that it works through Amazon and then go fulfill myself, go and find the product and source the product myself, which we have help with that. We can help you with that. All you need to do is go to talktotrey.com, put in your name and email, get yourself some 50 trainings, and on the other side there's a book a call page where you can actually get on a call with us, talk about this stuff, right? We can really dial this in for your product. We can dial this in for your niche and your company and look at how we can help you get better, right? Get more profitable, build out and scale. We call that the jet stream. So a lot of cool things we can talk about. But today, I want to hit on arbitrage, which is a pretty cool thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Marketing Mondays. I appreciate you guys being on here. I appreciate you guys just showing up. It means a lot, okay? It's why we do this every Monday, to share quality information with you guys, things that are working now in the industry of e-commerce, of how we sell products online, how we source products online, how we fulfill those products, and how we scale those products. That's what we do. That's what we're really good at. That's why people work with us, okay? So I appreciate you tuning in. Go implement this stuff. I can't tell you that enough. Take this information. Go figure out what 5 products can you arbitrage today? What 5 funnels can you build today around arbitraging that you go out and you start pushing traffic to it and you go fulfill through Amazon, 20, 25 orders. Once you know that you got the green light, it's good to go, then start sourcing from China. I'm telling you, my friends, it's as easy as that, okay? Thanks for tuning in on Marketing Mondays. See you guys next week, 11 a.m. Central Standard Time.